Hey guys, this is Miss Tate. So for this week's math assignments, this is what you should have just read in your Google Classroom. So it says today's math assignment will be located in Think Central. Think Central is an app located on your portal. I'm going to show you guys how to access that and how to get to your assignments. So the first thing you'll need to do is go back to your portal. So I'm going to flip back to my portal here. I'm signed in as a student, so you're going to need to find the Think Central app. So we've been mainly using this Google Classroom, which is where all of your assignments are hosted, but if you keep going down, it's in alphabetical order. Think Central will be down towards the bottom, and it looks like this. It's blue, Think Central. So if you click on Think Central, it'll open up another window that has your math activities in it. So things to do. In this section is what you're going to want to click on. It says access all assignments, their due dates, and their status. So click on things to do. And here you should have a list of your different math assignments for the week. So right now we've just assigned Monday, but you should see a list that says Tuesday math, Wednesday math, Thursday math, and Friday math. So you should see all of those. It's just a live link, so all you have to do is go ahead and click on it, and it should begin your assignment. So if you go ahead and click it, it should open up another window. Here we go.
How can you identify and draw points, lines?
It will go through the whole lesson with you. You can click through.
Everyday things can model
different things. And it'll be interactive. You can click and type in things, and then there'll be questions for you to do at the end. And then you should be able to submit. Let me turn this off real quick. Submit as it goes to us, and we can see. So like which angles are right angles, the lesson will tell you about it, and you can click and talk about which ones you think are correct. If you get to a screen like this is a link, and it will have problems for you to do. You'll type in answers here and submit them and check your answers. Keep going. The very last one is like our practice problems like we would do in class. So you'll click through. You can click through down here, check your answers to see how you're doing. When you're done, you can click this button that says turn it in. Or if you want to finish it later, you can save and close and come back to it later. Once you turn it in, we will get the score on our end, and then you should be done with that lesson for the day. And then you can X out, and you're finished with that, and you would be good to go. Comment here if you have any questions, or get in contact with your math teacher. Thanks, bye.